Hey friends, it's Mel. Welcome to the grocery haul. Got just a quick fill-in this week. You can tell we're on the way back home. We've just left the pickup at Kroger. This was just $130 something. Basically, some things for lunches, snacks, and the weekly digital downloadable coupon deals. They were super good this week, so I did not want to miss those. But anyhow, we're headed home, and I'm going to show you what I got. And I wanted to do something a little bit different this week, and I may try to do this the next few weeks. I'm going to give you just a little recipe at the end of my grocery haul. I have a lot of footage from other meals that I just don't end up showing because the video gets too long, and just whatever reason, it hadn't made it into a what's for dinner, but I have it filmed. So I'm going to start putting some of that stuff on the end of my grocery hauls. So just to let you know, in case you only watch grocery hauls, I'm going to try to start doing that. And also, if you only watch grocery hauls, I do a what's for dinner video every Sunday night at 8 o'clock. I try to keep it to about 3 meals each week. We eat a lot of leftovers, and I don't cook every night. It is real life. I say that all the time. Some nights we have sandwiches. Some nights we might order a pizza. So if you enjoy this, be sure and let me know in the comments. If you don't like this and you don't want a recipe, at the end of the videos, you can let me know that too. It's always good to know what it is you like and what you don't like. So anywho, we'll get home, I'll show you the groceries. I might show you cowboy beans. That's just something that has always been a favorite in my What's for Dinner videos. So if you watch them, it'll be something that you've probably already seen. But if you don't, this will be a favorite meal of my What's for Dinner viewers. And I think you'll like it too. I made a batch of these for Memorial Day. Anywho, let's get these groceries on in, and I'll show you what all I got. Okay, here is the overview. I think this was $139. The only thing that you're not seeing here are 3 12-packs of Kroger Dr. K.O., which is like Dr. Pepper with no sugar in it. So, as always, the things that I got really good with the digital coupon, I will put the price up on the screen. We'll start right here with this awful looking head of lettuce. This will probably just go straight in the trash. That's just rotten through and through. I don't even know why they put that in there. Got a big cucumber, bell peppers. All the colors were on sale for 99 cents. So I got a red and an orange. These little guys that we get every week. I got some items in the buy 5, get $5 off. Cheetos were one of them. But I think one of them was out of stock. So it's going to have skewed my prices on all of these. I wouldn't have gotten my extra $1 off. But, you know, we will live. It will be fine. But I did get a bag of Cheetos this week. I got 2 bags of these Kroger mini pretzels. We love to snack on these. And there was a coupon for so much off 2 of them. Got Sara Lee honey wheat bread. I usually buy Kroger. And this was a sub. But it looks like a nice uniform size all the way through this week. I got some little white donuts. This is for a fun little recipe I got coming up. Also got some of these ding dong cakes for my husband's lunch. Flour tortillas, that's every week. Got these chocolate covered granola bars to go in lunches. Believe it or not, this was not on sale. Not 88 cents like I normally get. It wasn't too bad. But I went ahead and got 2 because we're about out of toothpaste in my little toothpaste cabinet back there. So we've really got some clean teeth. Got some of this deodorant. I got a box of tea bags. I love these. Got a little box of instant vanilla pudding. Real bacon bits. A can of black beans. Another jar of garlic. I don't know. I just seem to be going through the garlic a lot these days. Can of Kroger chili sauce. Taco season. You'll see that just about every week. More weekly items is my daughter's water flavoring that she likes. A couple packs of gum for the kids and me. There was actually a digital coupon on this squirty cheese in a can. And I hadn't bought that for my husband in a while. So I got him that. Got another thing of nonstick spray. I just opened up my last one of those. I don't usually buy chicken broth, but I'm actually doing a crock pot soup this week. And it calls for like 4 cups or something. So I would just rather buy this one big thing than have to mix it up out of my little bouillon. Hellmann's mayonnaise was on sale, so I grabbed another one of those. Ranch dressing. I asked my husband if there was anything that he would want this week. He said, how about some peanuts? Some honey roasted ones. So I got him this. Also, this was on sale this week, and I went ahead and grabbed it because he does use this when he is using the smoker. He'll squirt his meat with this that he's smoking out there. So I went ahead and got that. Got a big box of saltine crackers. I got a little thing of Kroger brand Cool Whip. 2 boxes of butter. This was on sale. Digital coupon. 2 containers of sour cream. I'm going to be making a spinach dip sometime probably this week. Haven't decided if I'm going to do the hot spinach and artichoke or if I want to do the cold spinach dip. But that was on sale, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. Also, got a container of cottage cheese. Maddie has been wanting a lasagna, and I actually like to use cottage cheese in my lasagna instead of ricotta. These cheeses were all on sale. None of this was needed, but as I always say, I don't buy when I need something. I buy when something I use is on sale. So I got 2 blocks of Colby Jack, and these are 8-ounce blocks and 8-ounce bags. So I went ahead and got the Italian style, the Parmesan, and the Monterey Jack. When the small bags are on sale, I'll try to get these cheeses that like I don't use so much bulk wise. It just takes a little bit of them because they are smaller bags. This was an awesome deal. We really don't need all of this, but I will put it back because it was just too cheap not to buy it now. And these digital Kroger coupons, you can use them up to 5 times in one trip. So, I've never had this lemon cheesecake ice cream. I can't wait to try that. We've had this one before, the chocolate chip cookie dough. And Patrick did ask for just some plain vanilla bean ice cream. Got a couple Totino's pepperoni party pizzas for the freezer. Folgers was on sale this week in the buy 5, get 5. So I got the house blend. I really like this. It's not strong like the coffee house, but I just really like that flavor. My mom turned me on to that. Got a pack of cheap napkins. I ordered Angel Soft because it was in the buy 5 sale. They were out of it. And I just went ahead and let them sub this Scott tissue, even though I knew it would mess everything up with my prices. Didn't care. Chopped onions. I actually got them this week, so that is awesome. And a bag of diced frozen hash browns. Okay, these cowboy beans are a recipe that my Aunt Cathy made for years when we were growing up. You start out with a pound of ground beef, and you're just going to slice up some onion, and you're going to brown all that up together on top of the stove. While you have that going on, you're going to put all your beans together. I am using 2 15-ounce cans of pork and beans, or you can just use one of the big 28-ounce cans. Into that, you're going to put 1 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and throw you a little bit of salt in there. Then you're just going to mix all of that together. Once you have drained all the grease off your hamburger meat and onions, you're going to put that into your dish and stir it up. I did forget to mention that I always grease my dish, and you need a covered bean pot or dish like this to cook this in. It does bake 1 hour covered at 400 degrees. You can see when you pull it out, it's all bubbly, and you just let it sit there for a little while with the lid on, and then you can see how beautiful it sets up. You don't have to put hamburger meat in these. I've made them without it, but sometimes we eat this as a side, sometimes as a main dish. Now this little pink pie, this was a strawberry version of the fluffy key lime pie that Fallon made. And I made the key lime and shared it in a What's for Dinner. It was absolutely delicious. I'll link the recipe for this and the cowboy beans in the description box for you tonight. The strawberry. Let me tell you a couple things with it. I didn't have a sugar-free Jell-O. They didn't have it at the store. And regular Jell-O it's just a lot more in it. It's heavier. And my pie did not set up as good. You see how it kind of is pulling. When I used the sugar-free Jell-O, it set up perfectly. So I don't know if that was a problem. Also, I did not have any of the Whips yogurts. And I think those also help it set up quite a little bit. And that strawberry flavor, just don't. Stick with the key lime. If your young children have ever had to take that antibiotic that's liquid augmentin, it's kind of what this tastes like. It just wasn't very good. I mean, we ate it, but we didn't really like it. So, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate you watching. Be sure and let me know if you like this new format down below in the comments. And I'll see you Sunday night for another What's for Dinner. Until then, as always, I send you love from my kitchen.